Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you have like a Honda Civic, like my mom and my brother do and stuff like that, they have CarPlay in there, but it has to be plugged in order to use it. This thing here is the coolest thing ever. It lets you do CarPlay without being plugged in. So let me open this and I'll show you guys what it is, and then I'll show you kind of how it works. So the way it works is we'll have, to streamline your drive with wireless CarPlay. So we'll have the adapter here. So this is it here. That's kind of cool. It looks like a little MagSafe charger kind of thing. I don't think it is though, but so we have it, and this will plug in to your USB port on the car, and then it will give you the wireless ability to connect to CarPlay. It also comes with an adapter here that lets you go from USB to USB-C if your car has that. So the way it'll work is we'll connect it up to the car. Let me just make sure I'm gonna explain this right. So we will connect it up like we are connecting to a network, and we will connect to this network, and it will go through the phone. So we connect our phone to the network. Once it's plugged in, it'll go power it and everything like that, and then it will give us a network. We connect to this network, and then this, as long as it's plugged into the same port as the CarPlay one would normally be, it lets us connect to it wirelessly, and then you'll just be using CarPlay wirelessly, so you don't have to plug in your phone every time you get in your car. So how cool is that? So this is awesome. It comes with this little thing here. In the Honda, it's like underneath the center console there. You kind of plug it into it, and it just kind of hangs there and does what it needs to do. So I'll show you it here, and screen went blank, and there it is. So now it's wireless CarPlay.
There we go.
How cool is that? Very cool. Thumbs up.